Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.
Hello guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how we can extract text from image in Python by using PyTesseract. Actually, PyTesseract is a deep learning technique based on LSTM and a recurrent neural network. So it is able to extract text from images. So I hope in the previous tutorial I taught how to install PyTesseract in Windows. So if you are yet to install PyTesseract, check out my previous videos and make sure you install PyTesseract. So here I start with importing from pil import image. Then after import PyTesseract PyTesseract as test, right? Then after test.py PyTesseract tesseract then underscore cmd. Here we need to put a path of executable PyTesseract, right? So this motechapp is user, so in user app local PyTesseract, this is the path, right, of PyTesseract. So I copy it, then I paste it here. Then I need this PyTesseract, this, then I copy, I paste it here. So after that, image is equal to image. I need to open my image dot open bracket, then it is image 2 underscore 1 dot png. This is my image, right? So then after text is equal to test dot image to string, image underscore to string, right? Then I path image. After that I need to print text, right? I hope after running this cell we can see text from this image is extracted, right? So let's wait. Now you can see we have successfully extracted text from image. See it here. Then I run this. Now you can see cell post nyumba kiwanja, your name, your title, and if I open this image you can see, right? So this is how we can extract text from image by using PyTesseract. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, put comment, share and subscribe for next video update. Goodbye and see you in the next tutorials.